Welcome to Faith Explorers, where we dive into stories that still shape us today. You've heard of David and Goliath, but what happened after that? In 2 Samuel, we see David not just as a hero, but as a king who followed God, even when it was tough. David wasn't perfect, but he was different. He prayed before acting. He worshipped while waiting. He made mistakes and turned back to God when he did. You don't have to be famous to lead. You just need faith. Just like David, God can use you. Right where you are. David's life wasn't perfect, but his heart stayed close to God. When he sinned, he repented. When he succeeded, he gave God the glory. That's real leadership. If David's story encouraged you, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe to grow your faith every week.